Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to show your workplace to specific friends on Facebook using your PC. This is a neat trick for those who want to keep their professional life visible to certain people while maintaining privacy with others. Facebook's updated settings make it easy to customize who sees what on your profile, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Facebook on your computer. Head to facebook.com and log in if you haven't already. Next, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to access the menu. Now, to get to your profile, click on your name or profile picture at the top of the menu. Once you're on your profile page, look for the About section and click on it. This is where you'll find all sorts of information about yourself. In the About section, scroll down until you see Work and Education and select it. This is where you've listed your current and past workplaces. Here's where the magic happens. Find the job you want to customize the visibility for. Next to that work entry, you'll see an audience icon. It probably says Public, Friends, or something similar. Click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options. Choose Specific Friends from the list. This allows you to handpick who can see this particular work information. A box will pop up where you can type in the names of the friends you want to share this information with. Start typing their names, and Facebook will suggest people from your friend list. Select each friend you want to include. Once you've chosen all the specific friends, click Save Changes. That's it. Now, only the friends you selected will be able to see your workplace on your Facebook profile. This is a great way to tailor your Facebook experience, ensuring that the right people see the right information. Whether you're connecting with colleagues or keeping certain aspects of your life private, Facebook's customizable settings offer the flexibility you need.